Hello, today we will talk about CD4 count. What are CD4 cells? CD4 cells are a special types of WBCs which are found in our blood. These help in providing immunity to the body. They are also known as helper T cells. What is CD4 count or CD4 test? CD4 count determines the number of CD4 cells in a given amount of blood. Why is this test done? In patients of HIV and AIDS, the HIV virus it specifically attacks and destroys CD4 cells and hence resulting in decreased immunity in the patient. So, it is usually done in patients of AIDS to determine the status of immunity in such patients. How is this test done? For this test, a blood sample is required which is usually collected from the arm of the patient. Is there any special instruction given before the test? Usually, no special instruction is given before the test and samples can be taken at any time as per convenience of the patient. What are normal values of CD4 count? The normal range of CD4 count is between 500 to 1500 per millimeter cube of blood. Sometimes the result is interpreted as percentage values. What is this test used for? This test is used for staging of HIV patients to determine the status of immunity in such patients and to determine the prophylactic treatment requirement in HIV patients. If a patient of HIV has CD4 count less than 200, then the patient is automatically started treatment for pneumocystis pneumonia. If the patient's CD4 count is below 100, then the patient is given treatment for toxoplasma. And if the patient's CD4 count is less than 50, then the patient is given treatment for Mycobacterium avium complex. This test is also done to monitor treatment in patients of HIV with antiretroviral. This test is also done in patients of HIV to monitor treatment with antiretroviral therapy. The aim of such treatment is to increase the levels of CD4 as much as possible.